Hi, welcome to Cooking Made Easy. Today we are meal prepping. We are first going to start off with breakfast. We are going to be making egg bites. We have chicken sausage, egg whites with black pepper, chili flakes, lemon pepper, garlic, and salt, green bell pepper, and spinach. First, we're gonna add the egg whites in there. I like to get spinach and cut it with my hands and rip it. Sure the stem is off, and just sprinkle that around. And add a bell pepper to this. Some chopped green bell peppers in there. Next, we are going to add the chicken sausage, and I like to cut it in. I like to set the oven at 350 degrees, and I like to put it in there for about 15 minutes. I check on it, make sure that the egg whites are all cooked, and it's gonna rise. So I let it cool down for about 10 minutes. The inside is cooked. You have your spinach and your chicken sausage. For this next breakfast idea, we are going to be using our mason jars and doing overnight oats. Half a cup of oats. I like to put my hands like that so it all falls in. Next, I like to put some granola. Next, I have almond butter. Half a cup of almond milk. Next, I have frozen berries. And I'm gonna close it in and put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow morning. Next up is a snack, and we are going to be using yogurt, frozen berries, and honey. So here I have a cup of yogurt, and it's Greek yogurt. And then I'm just gonna put my berries in. And my personal favorite, honey. I love honey. There you have it, folks. So now we are going to be doing another snack, which is hummus and carrots. And I'll show you how I personally cut them. And oh, I forgot the celery. I'm gonna cut those in half there. And I just cut them in half. Turn this over. And we have our carrots here, and I'm going to place them in here. These ones, same thing, same idea. You can go ahead and let's do this. Cut them in half, slice them down the middle, and just cut these in half. And cut them like that. Up to you if you want to add more carrots or more celery, but that's the idea there. And I have some hummus here, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. All right, for our next snack, we are going to be doing tuna. And this is actually one of my favorite snacks to eat because I use avocado and lime instead of mayonnaise. So let's get to it. All right, so what I'm gonna add is celery. Okay, now I'm gonna add my celery. I'm gonna chop this jalapeno here. And now I have my avocado that I'm gonna go ahead and use. So beautiful, huh? Next is my lime. We have our seasonings here. We have salt, garlic pepper, and lemon pepper, all mixed there together. So I'm gonna put about a cup in my Tupperware here. That's about half a cup, a little bit more, make it a full cup. There, and that's your snack. All right, so for our last meal prep, we are going to do a lunch. It's going to consist of ground turkey. We got some bell peppers, yellow, red, and green, an onion, and spinach. And for our vegetables, we are going to use zucchini, and I'm gonna grill those, and we have some jasmine brown rice cooking right now. All right, some oil. Just gonna make sure the ground turkey is cut so everything gets cooked evenly. So I'm gonna throw some spices in here. I have some lemon pepper here. And again, season it to your liking. Next, I'm going to use some paprika, give it some color, and some red crushed chili flakes, because you can't go wrong with a little bit of spice. Can't forget the salt. Personal favorite, garlic pepper. My last secret ingredient, bay leaves, which gives it a different flavor. So I just like to put at least 4 all around it. And I cover it with the lid and let it sit and marinate within that. Okay, and we're gonna come back to check on that. A little bit more spices here. So make sure your ground turkey is looking a gold color, a brownish color, before you take it out. So this is not done yet. All right, so now that it's getting cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. And you're gonna get a lid and just cover it and just let that steam. So now while the ground turkey is cooking with the vegetables, I am going to slice my zucchini. That's what we're looking for here. All right, I'm gonna season these with some garlic pepper, some lemon pepper. Just spray some on there. There, beautiful. All right, the ground turkey is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab some and put it into my meal prep container. And it is for protein, your carbs, and your vegetables. And you're more than welcome to go on to myplate.gov and to see the portion sizings for those. There's also different recipes on there, which is super great. I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian, but these are just ideas of sample plates that you can do for meal prepping. And I'm just gonna grab my zucchini here and just put them in here. And now we are going to walk over to our rice that we've been cooking. In a little itty bitty pot. Spoonful here. And here is your lunch. We have our snack over here with carrots and celery and hummus. We have our overnight oats, our yogurt parfait, our tuna salad, and some carrot chips, and our egg bites, and our lunch, zucchini with jasmine brown rice and some grilled peppers, onions, and spinach with ground turkey.
Hey, you forgot this.
Oh my, thank you so much. So we are actually giving these out for free to people who register, and it's a lunch bag with goodies inside. It has utensils and the meal prep containers that you see here. So it's 3 meal prep containers and 2 mason jars. Don't forget to register because supplies are limited. And how cute is this? Lunch on a picnic. Thank you so much for joining us on Cooking Made Easy. I'll see you next time. Thank you.